Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalini Swamy. Welcoming to my channel, Smart and Edge. Recently, I made video about the market makers and institutional algos. How do they act and how do they take position? What are the role of market makers? How do they get profits? And how do the institutional algos the work and what is their bias towards the market? So you have to go to that video and see. I'll give attachment in the description. You can watch that video too. That if you have watched the video, you will understand everything. So then after understanding the concept, I created an indicator that is called as GhostWall indicator. You might have wondered why the market suddenly reverses from a level that nobody was watching. Many times. But also the timing is also there. What I observed is every day around 11:30, the market starts doing some sort of movement. Even around 2 p.m. also, I observed the market movement in the market movement. Actually, I used to wonder why why this market is reversing like that perfectly. No moving average, no trend line, no support, no resistance. Yet the market turns perfectly. For years, I kept asking myself one question: where are institutions actually placing the orders? We must know where are the institutions are placing their orders. Then only we can walk along with them. Right? After countless hours of research, testing and observation, I discovered something fascinating. A hidden zone where market makers and institutions repeatedly leave their footprints. I call it as ghost wall. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to identify these invisible walls and how they can help you find high probability trades in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even in options trading. Imagine a large building under construction. Before the building is invisible, workers first build a hidden framework inside. Structure for the house. That will be an hidden. The public only sees the final structure. The same thing happens in the market. Retail traders see candles, institutions see liquidity, retail traders see indicators, institutions see order locations. GhostWall is designed to identify those areas where institutional activity is likely concentrated. These walls are not visible to the naked eye. But when price reaches them, the market often reacts. Sometimes it bounces, sometimes it gets rejected, sometimes it explodes with momentum. GhostWall helps us to identify those potential reaction zones before the crowd notices them. So now here, actually I have created the indicator. When the market touches this wall, only green will be created. Already blue has formed, that is A plus buy. Both the institutions and market makers, they have created the support level, and in this area, the market again starts moving here. So the wall will be created. It will create into green and blue color. Blue color is A plus grade by setup, and whereas only red color is not a very good sell setup. Actually, market maker wall, so red color, and if it is combined with this, red with purple, this is a confirmation sell. Both the market makers and institutional algos work together, and also, retail traders participate in this. That's why this color is purple, and it is a very strong A plus sell setup and A plus buy setup when it becomes blue. Only red color is not only market makers will do that. No, but a strong setup. And the golden setup is here, all at the top, market gaps up, and you can see all are participating. Market makers as well as institutional algos. Institutional algos can only create this actually, and then retailers participate very late along with them. So finally, they will be, if they hold the position, they will be trapped actually. The market comes down, it has come down gradually, step by step, and they started accumulating the price. Here, when this it showed as if they are accumulating the price, what did they do? They manipulated to the downside, and then the market has been pushed higher. See how the market has been manipulated. It was not a real sell, not a strong sell. It came down and it is going down. It is a strong base has been built in on the Nifty, and market is going up. Now it is a retest market. If it crosses all these levels, market can reach 24,163, this wall. It can create this wall. These are the liquidity walls. Above these levels, traders have participated, and the stop loss hunting will take place in the market. When the market takes the liquidity, and all these players takes the liquidity, and short covering rally will come to the market. So you can see the market reaching to 24,135 to 24,000. Even it can cross this level, 172. So these are the areas, these are the ghost wall indicator I have created for this. So you need to watch for A plus grade buy setup, then you have to enter into the market. The biggest mistake traders make is entering at every signal. See, traders will enter here, they do the mistake actually. For a buyer, they do that mistake. Actually, that will not be a trade at all. Ghost wall is not about taking every trade, it is about waiting for quality trade. You can wait for this is a quality trade. If you would have if you would have taken position here, you can see how the market has, the next day market has rallied. Even if the rally can continue today also. Today, it can go up to this. There is liquidity lying over there above the 24,178 and above 24,057. Market can move higher. An A grade signal tells us that multiple factors are converging, and B, an A plus signal tells that institutional location, market structure, and volume are all are pointing in the same direction. Goal is not for more trades, goal is for better trades. So identifying the ghost wall is for identifying for better trades. Even zero hero, you can identify on the expiry day, and you can make money timing the market, and by visually seeing the presence of these institutional traders and market makers coming together, and it will be a blast setup. That will be a definitely gamma blast, and traders will enter into it, and you can make profit about that. Most traders struggle with strike selection. Ghost wall automatically identifies areas around S3, S4, R3, and R4 and gives you the strike selection too. You can see for that. The strike suggestion is not a guarantee. It is a reference level where institutional activity may be influencing the price. You can go for the OI data, OI, this one, and you can track along with that. Most traders spend years searching for the perfect indicator. The truth is that market move because of orders. Market moves because of orders, but what happens in the market is OI data is not instantaneous. They are all delayed. Even if you pay money also, you have to shift the order OI data while spending your time in OI data, there itself trade will slip away from your hands. Because the time nowadays, humans are not trading, algos are trading. When the institutional algos are trading, it will be a fraction of a second. The market price moves like this, price moves like in a GIF. If you want to enter into the market at that time, sometimes manipulation will set in and it collapses. So you will be the prey for that manipulation and you will lose money. This will not happen. For that not to happen, I created this indicator. You will be prepared and you will take position relaxedly before the gamma blast, before the explosive move. You are entering into the market and you are exiting with when explosion sets in, you can press the button instantaneously and to get out of that. That is the idea for that market. And many times market will not move like this, only at particular hour, particular timing, when everything converges, the market will move with momentum. See, everything converged here. You can see there is no back to back red candles over here. So it is a setup. A plus setup has been created with the time, even on 30, from the 30th onwards, this setup price was, it has been accumulated and it was a blast. Here also you can see the blast over here. This indicated the presence of the big money, the continuation of, that's why Nifty moved higher. Today also Nifty will make a move above this. That's what I'm feeling. And if it starts moving above this level, it can reach to 24,169. It is this indicator is not designated to predict the future. It is designed to help traders see what many are missing. So trade with patience, trade with discipline, and remember, market leaves footprints. That is what GhostWall helps you to find them. Thank you very much, friends. This is the indicator which I have created. If you want to access this indicator, do message me on this number 98452096000. This is my WhatsApp number. This is a paid indicator. You can message me, you will get the details. Thank you very much, friends. Nalini Swamy signing off.